Morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am good, just making a cup of tea and having a little cuddle with Pip. The plan for today is we have a really fun day. We're going to go to Oxfordshire, to this beautiful village, and we are, as an entire team, going to learn how to print fabrics using lino cut, I don't even know what they call it, but basically do lino cut fabric printing. And we're going to make our own fabric designs, and then it's going to be turned into cushions. And we're doing it with this amazing guy who I found, I'm tired, who I found on Instagram, called Albert Harvey. He does beautiful fabrics himself, but he does these classes as well where you can learn how to do it. So I thought it would be a really fun thing to do because we've all been working really hard and I feel like we just need a fun day out. So hopefully it'll be a good day, the sun's shining, and I'm really excited.
So are you ready to go?
No, I'm running a little bit late, as always. Before I go, I just got an email from our production team for the online course, and they need me to urgently review some changes. So I'm going to quickly jump on my laptop, get back to them, and then we'll jump in the car and go to Oxfordshire.
Sophie, what is that?
This is the FAQ 202 by Foreo, and it's a new generation silicone face mask. I absolutely love it. It's got 8 different wavelengths, including NIR, which tackles signs of aging and other skin concerns. And I'm gonna sit here and wear it for 15 minutes whilst I check my emails and go through the online course. What is so great about it is that it's wireless, and it's also got this really big cutout here around the eyes. So it's one of the few masks that I can actually wear and carry on working. I use it about 3 times a week for 15 minutes. And since I've been wearing it, I've noticed that my skin, like the skin tone's much more even. My pores, particularly around my cheeks, have got smaller, and I've got less redness in general. It's also good for tackling signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles, so I highly recommend it. I'd like to thank Foreo Sweden for sponsoring today's video, and if you are interested in trying the FAQ 202 or any of the other bestsellers, don't forget to use my discount code 30SophieP, which gets you 30% off not only the FAQ 202 but also many of their other bestsellers, and use the link in my description box below if you're interested in checking them out.
Yeah, my sister put on it. You've got to do one here. What's my place? Oh, is it? Yeah, exactly.
Anywhere you like, yes. It does pick up on some quite small bits that you can see. What you do, if you get your lino block on the piece of paper, so have a pencil in your box, and draw around your lino block, then that'll give you the size.
Anthony, show me your design. What have you done?
I've gone for quite an organic, tribal, botanical block print.
Ooh, love it. Where do you think you're going to use this cushion?
In our living room, I want to go for that red that's on there.
Oh, that will look really nice. That dark burgundy red.
Yeah.
Love that.
So I've got 2 designs. That's just me all over. I couldn't just do one.
Ooh, I like it.
This one, he thinks the print, he would look better.
Yeah.
But this one would be easier.
So which one are you going to go for?
Go
Easy
for
or hard?
harder.
Go for hard. I knew you would. I think it's going to look great. So I like your one. Which one are you going to go for?
I haven't decided, but I've taken inspiration from the Andrew Martin cushions.
Lovely.
That one, and that's a bit more basic.
I like that, the honeycomb. That's really nice, yeah. I'd buy that. Claire, what have you done? Oh, I love that flower. It's like a lotus.
Yeah, I've done a lotus, attempted to do a lotus.
Are you inspired by the white lotus?
Little bit, but yeah. What I had in my
Beautiful
head is slightly
drawing. No one would know you're not a designer, Nicola.
different. Don't team anyone.
Charlotte, what have you done?
Mine's a hawk.
And what's inspired your hawk?
I live in Hawkwell Cottage, so it's going
Lovely.
to
Oh, that's so nice.
my house design.
Did you draw that freehand?
Yep.
Well done, you. Can tell you're a designer. So I'm cutting out a stage because I like to do shortcuts, and instead of tracing the pattern, I'm going to go for this one and this one. You're meant to trace it and then put it onto the lino. I'm just going to draw it freehand on here because I don't mind if it's a little bit different.
And ready. But that will go sort of in the palm, finger on top. It's going to be white, so the colour of the linen fabric.
Reminds me of like a Louis Vuitton bag. And this is meant to look like shagreen.
Gouging out all the little intricacies in the middle, but I'm quite pleased so far. So good.
Aim high, shoot low. Is what I always say. Watch this space.
Yeah, absolutely. Excited to see it.
It might turn out an absolute disaster.
I've done a rope, which needs to be probably printed many times for it to look more like a rope. But yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, if I'm going to go sort of in a direction with the rope or just a straight line. But we'll see.
Right. Similar to is. Try and make it a yellowy colour. Not be too sick, because I always get it very wrong. We'll stick with that. You want to get it evenly spread, so you don't want loads of ink in here, you want quite thin.
Bella's about to do her first one. No pressure. That looks so good. Well done. Anthony, I love what you're doing. What was it inspired by?
Botanic, like faint botanics.
It kind of reminds me of a thistle.
Yeah.
Recarving, you're not happy with how it's coming out?
We've gone back to the drawing board.
Okay, what's wrong with that?
Just, it looks, the form's good, it just needs a bit more detail.
Yeah.
And then hopefully we'll make out that it's actually a rope, not a tree.
Let us know in the comments what you think it looks like. Emma, I love yours. It's so nice. I actually feel like I'd buy this as a fabric. Are you happy with that?
I'm happy with it. I'm not happy with my application because Albert's kindly shown me to mark the top. So because I've been reversing it.
Oh, yeah.
So now I know how to do it properly.
Okay, so they're all going to line up.
Hopefully.
Love it. Liz, no one would know you're an accountant with this design. This is like gorgeous. I love how it's like a honeycomb. You got all that texture. Are you happy with that?
I'm really happy with it.
Are you going to put it in your home?
I probably will.
How is the hawks coming along?
They started off dreadful, but they've gradually gotten better.
Let's see if we can guess that. Yeah, I was going to say that's the first one, but that one over there, that's looking really good.
That's the second to last. That's the last one.
Okay. I like how you've arranged them as well, so they're like top to tail. This is a hot contender for my favourite. I love this.
Love to hear that.
What are you going to call it?
Jack and the Beanstalk.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah, I think it's definitely a bit of fairy tale inspiration. So
Yeah.
it might be nice in a little kid's room.
Very usable. I would buy this as a fabric. Let us know in the comments if you think we need to bring these out as a fabric collection, because I think we do.
I ended up finding that I've made life much harder for myself than I should have.
Oh,
but
no.
I'm learning with how much paint to put on.
Yeah.
Some of them are better than others. But
The leaf outline's really good.
I think I've done too much ink there,
Yeah.
so I've learnt that, and I think it's getting better.
Got to go in between.
I've got to get somewhere in between.
Della, I saw you when you just done your first one. How's it going now?
Much better, much better. I'm just trying to teach myself the pattern repeat. So Albert's kindly given me a little tip.
That's coming out
Getting
really
there.
nice.
This is the blue table. It works.
That's amazing, the detail.
Thanks. This is my one. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the layout. I prefer this one to this one. So for my actual cushion, I might just do that. But I definitely think they both work better as stripes rather than the checkerboard design.
Who's watching these? No. Drive to Survive. What is on?
This one looks really good. As usual. Yeah, love that one.
Turned out well.
Charlotte, yours looks good.
Thank you. It's my pigeon.
I can't even piece this was. This looks really good. Megan's, yeah, there's yours. This is mine. Oh, look, came out board.
Right.
This is yours, isn't it?
No, that's
Nice. Oh, it's really good. I love that.
Thank you.
They look completely different made up, don't they?
They look so different.
That's right.
I mean, it goes to the top there.
It is actually nice. It goes with yours. This is also bad.
This one's better.
Yours looks good, Liz. Really nice. But then it goes your outfit. I don't know this one. I like this colour. It's almost like a peachy pink.
And last but not least.
I'm glad we decided to do the crisscross on that mark.
It's